To customize your slides, you can change the order in which objects, placeholders, or shapes appear. Right-click and select Bring to Front to bring an object to the top layer. Select Send to Back to move the object to the bottom layer. Choose Send Backward or Bring Forward to move objects between layers. Need to find a missing object? If you've lost track of an object, select Home, select Selection Pane. In the Selection pane, drag to reorder the object. To move the object, select and drag it to a different spot on the slide.